Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ayaz Bhatti English Grammar. Today we're going to learn 6 important vocabulary words of list A, and after that I'll upload a video on list B. First word is annihilate. Annihilate means to destroy. The accident annihilated whole building. And the next word is annihilation. So annihilate is a verb, annihilation is a noun. After that accident, there was annihilation in the city. The next word is abhor. Abhor means to hate. She abhors these people. Abhorrent, which means hateful, nafratangis. The act of these people was abhorrent. Abhor and abhorrent. Abhor is a verb, while abhorrent is a noun. Adore. Adore, which means to love deeply. She always adores her mother, which means she always loves deeply with her mother. And then the next word is adorable. Adorable is taken from the word adore, which is a verb. She has 2 ears, adorable girl. Adorable means extremely charming, extremely beautiful, attractive. Adorable. I hope you like my video. For more videos, kindly subscribe my channel so that you may not miss any kind of video which related to the vocabulary. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, kindly subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.